Ever wrote a Python script that starts offline but chokes on large data? The issue isn't Python. Your code is just suffering from amnesia. It keeps recalculating the exact same steps. Today, let's give your functions a permanent supermemory using Functools. The problem: grid traveler. Instead of textbook examples, let's look at a drone routing problem. We want to find all unique paths from the top left to the bottom right of a grid, moving only down or right. Look at the code. Okay, for a small grid, it's instant, but try a 18 at 18 grid and your terminal freezes. Why? Because it recalculates the exact same subgrades thousands of times. It's pure madness. Look at the code. Let's run and freeze terminal. Okay. Comment. The solution: LRU cache. Instead of rewriting the algorithm, let's just use Python built-in LRU cache. First, import library. Then, LRU cache, max size 128. Okay, print. Let's run. And boom! Milliseconds LRU stands for least recent used. It saves result in a box. The max size 128 parameter limits the box size to save RAM, throwing away old result when full. Perfect for keeping memory usage predictable. The shortcut: if you don't care about memory limits and just want infinite string, use cache. First, import library. Then, instead LRU cache. Comment. Cache. And let's run and print. Okay, this is just shorthand for max size noun. It's the ultimate make my function fast button. The pitfall. One major cache, since caching use a dictionary under the hood. All arguments must be hashable. Look at the code. To fix it, pass mutable object as immutable tuples instead. Okay, pass a list or dict, and Python crashes. Always use tuples or strings here. Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which one you'll use. See you.